this shit in the barrel is.
I just loaded it.
I ain't talking to you.
Oh. All right. Y'all ready?
Going right. That was a nice boom.
That's that good shit. That bitch kicked, bro.
I know it.
I like that shit. I like that. I could barely hear that shit with these damn earplugs in, though. That's nice.
First brass round, huh?
That bitch said thump.
Bro, you know how much paper you took off of that bitch?
Hey, that's what I was about to say. I seen something shot straight up in the air first.
Like, you detonated that bitch. Come on.
That shit was beautiful. James, grab the camera if you need.
Did I hit that bitch?
That motherfucker was hidden.
I know fucking thing. I know damn well the fucking thing. Yep, right there. Hold on. This too fucking close. Why don't we move that bitch back there?
Yeah.
Well, move.
You ain't gonna have no type of range or anything.
Stab that in the ground pipe.
I don't even think I hit that bitch. I was just shooting shit.
No, you hit it a few times. I saw the holes on it. All right, let's back up. Oh! Damn, sticky briars out this bitch like a motherfucker. I think I just stepped in some deer shit.
Protein.
Protein?
Bitch.
In fact,
Wow.
all right, I'm gonna start this back.
Let me get the fuck back.
Look at it.
Get him, Butch. I felt that shit under my motherfucking feet.
Break your clip?
It comes apart.
Oh, I was about to say,
Yo.
he broke it.
I broke that bitch on the last
That
shot.
bitch says skadooshie. Yeah, it comes apart. That's alright. I fixed the bitch.
I did not know that.
Yep.
How does it feel
It was
to
fucking good,
shoot
man.
your guns after a long time?
Feels fucking fantastic,
Feels
brother.
fantastic. Think about joining the Boogaloo Boys?
Fuck you.
Bear Wolf. The Boogaloo Boy. And Corey about to shoot it, goddamn.
Oh, you gonna shoot the gauge?
Damn right.
This is my boomstick. Cut that bitch off real quick. No, he about to shoot. Oh, he...
Make it feel good, don't it? Make it feel good, don't it?